Welcome to this free flow, a blend of EFT tapping and Qigong to clear our energy at the end of the day, so we can enjoy our evening without the heaviness of the day. As always, when you're ready, find a quiet place to practice. Let's get our minds calm, our bodies relaxed, and let's get our energy flowing. We'll begin by tapping on acupressure points to affirm our intentions for this practice. Let's begin. Inner eye, I release the weight of today. Outer eye, forgiving myself for any mistakes. Under eye, letting go of overthinking and worry. Upper lip, and choosing to see tomorrow as a fresh start. Chin, I choose to let go of heavy energy I have absorbed from others. Collarbone, freeing myself from their weight. Side of the body, and allowing their energy to flow back into the earth. Top of the head, washing myself free of what no longer serves me. Tapping the wrists together, taking a deep breath in through the nose, and a slow exhale out through the mouth. And give yourself a little shake as you come to center. We're going to begin with some body tapping, so taking your fists and lightly tapping up the inside of your arm and down the outside. And repeating this on the opposite arm. Knocking on the chest, and then working your way down onto your torso. Then you can work in rotations here. Here we're just knocking across all of our meridian channels, going down our legs and back up the sides, knocking to break free any congestion or heaviness we have in these channels. And then coming down the front of the leg, and up to the back of the legs, onto your lower back, over your kidneys. Repeating one more time. And a few more knocks on your kidneys, taking a deep breath in and a slow breath out to release, just releasing any fear that you might have picked up throughout the day. And then giving yourself a shake as you come back to center, and using an open hand to brush across all of the areas we just tapped. So we released and opened up all of that energy, and now we're just wiping away, energetically wiping away any negativity or heaviness we were holding in those meridian channels. And then placing your hands on the top of your feet, really rooting and grounding yourself back into the earth. Holding here for a breath. And then slowly making your way up. And doing some more clearing, coming up onto your toes, bringing your arms up, and coming down, bending at the knees. You're going to swing your arms out. So coming up, inhaling, coming down, you're going to let out an exhale as you slam the heels down, arms come out. So really clearing, letting go, setting the intention in your mind. As you exhale, you're releasing all the heaviness, the energy you absorbed from others, whatever's weighing heavy on you, just letting it go. And coming back to center, allowing yourself to catch your breath, regulate your breath, normalize it. I know that can feel like a lot, but really the breath is such a powerful tool for releasing. So taking this time just to tune inwards for a second. Notice how your body feels, maybe a bit lighter, a bit freer. And slowly coming back, and begin slowly shaking throughout the entire body. The best way to really clear any tension or tightness or overwhelm you're holding within your body. just shaking yourself free of it. Again, you can visualize here if you'd like, just shaking out any of that stagnation that you're still holding in your channels or any type of heavy emotion you're still feeling. Just envision it just shaking right out of you. And slowing down your shaking. And once more coming back to center, tuning into your body. Feeling into the buzzing, the vibrations that are going throughout. A reminder of how clear and free your energy is. Just focusing on your feet on the ground, your breath. And coming back, we're going to step out slightly wider, bringing your arms up, crossing at the wrist, turning to one side and pushing down to the ground. Coming back to center, crossing the wrists, rotating to the opposite side and pushing down. So as you come to center, slightly grow. And as you come to the side, slight bend in the knees as you ground yourself down. Pairing with the breath, inhale center, and exhale pushing down. Crossing at the wrist, we're crossing over acupressure points for our inner and outer gates. These are great for protecting our energy. And as we turn and push down to the ground, to the earth, letting go of energy that no longer serves us, sending it into the earth to be renewed, restored, into something better. As always, going at your own pace. Movement follows breath. Bringing your hands to your chest height to protect your heart. And allowing your hands to fall down by your side. Tuning into yourself once more. Inhale as you gather. And exhale as you bring it down your center. Inhale, rising up and gathering. And exhale, bringing it down. Placing your hands over your lower belly, just for a breath. Again, feeling your feet rooted and grounded into the earth. Tall spine, crown of the head up to the heavens. And give your belly a little rub, locking in that energy, and exhale for that final release. Bring your hand up the center of your body, just sealing everything in, zipping it up, turning the key, keeping your energy safe and secure. I hope you enjoyed. Let me know in the comments below. Love hearing from you all. Bye.